Welcome to the School of English, your go-to destination for mastering the English language. In today's lesson, we're diving into the essentials of introducing yourself. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to kickstart your English journey. Let's begin. In the first part, let's learn how to greet someone. In English, we start by saying hello. There are various ways to do this. Hello. This is a formal and widely used greeting. Hi, a more informal and friendly way to say hello. Hey there. This is also an informal way to greet someone. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Use these based on the time of day. It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. These expressions mean you are pleased to meet someone for the first time. Now let's move on to introducing yourself. Here are some phrases you can use. My name is. State your name. I'm from. Share your place of origin or residence. I currently live in. Tell others where you live. I work, study at. Mention your occupation or study details. People often want to know a bit about you. Here are phrases to help. Share your age. I was born on date. Provide your birth date. I'm a profession student. Talk about your job or student status. Let's make the conversation more interesting by discussing hobbies. In my free time, I enjoy. Share your hobbies. I love activity. Express your passion. One of my hobbies is. Get specific about what you enjoy. Lastly, let's touch upon family. I have siblings. Talk about your siblings. I'm married, single. Share your marital status. I live with my. Mention your family members.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you. Hello, John. I'm Sarah. Pleasure to meet you too. I'm originally from New York, but I currently live in San Francisco. Oh, that's interesting. What do you do, John? I work as a software engineer. How about you? I'm a graphic designer. I love creating visual stories through design. Sounds fascinating. Outside of work, I enjoy hiking and playing the guitar. Hiking is great. I spend my weekends painting. By the way, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger sister. What about you? I have an older brother. We're a small but close-knit family. That's wonderful. Well, it's been great getting to know you, Sarah. Likewise, John. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime and chat more. Definitely, I'd like that.
That concludes today's lesson at the School of English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fantastic English lessons. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep practicing and embracing the journey of mastering English. See you in the next class.